On the control panel, click Settings. Open the Distortion interface. Click Test. The Galvo will cut a cross-shaped tian pattern. Move the x-axis by 40, then click Test again. If the top and bottom horizontal lines of the two tian patterns are misaligned, you need to adjust the center rotation angle. Increase the angle, the tian pattern rotates clockwise around its own center point. Reduce the angle, the tian pattern rotates counterclockwise around the center point. Repeated adjustments until the upper and lower horizontal lines of the two tian-shaped patterns are completely aligned.